Is it time to buy or sell Hitachi Limited, American Depositary Receipt stock? In this video, we will explore Hitachi Limited, ADR, in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 18th of February, 2025, and now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the end of January 2025, our system has categorized Hitachi ADR as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of approximately 11.81% since we initially recommended purchasing Hitachi LR just 12 days ago. This results in an average return of about 0.98% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the most recent developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's next direction, as it could potentially move in either direction. The stock has broken the wide and weak rising short-term trend, indicating an even stronger rate of increase. Should there be any pullback, there will now be support at the ceiling of the current broken trend at $55.82, a level that may present a second opportunity for a significant gain. According to fan theory, $63.86 will be the next possible peak level, thereby creating a resistance point that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 3.19% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between negative 14.29% and positive 0.131%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a negative 60.63% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between negative 100% and negative 16.26%. This translates to a price range of $0 to $48.17 after a year. Our latest daily update for Hitachi ADR includes the headline, Hitachi Limited, stock price up 1.19% on Tuesday. The Hitachi stock price rose 1.19% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 18th of February, 2025. The stock climbed from $56.85 to $57.53. It has now increased for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock showed fluctuations of 1.05%, dipping to a low of $57.09 and peaking at $57.69. The price has increased in 8 out of the last 10 days, and it is up by 12.79% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume also saw an uptick on the last day, which is a positive technical indicator, with an additional 12,000 shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 36,000 shares exchanged hands for approximately $2,040,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a peak price of $239.99, while the lowest price was $37.92. Currently, the price sits 76.03%, or $182.47, below the 52-week high of $239.99, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Hitachi Limited, trading under the symbol HTHIY, is making strategic moves that could significantly influence its stock price in both the short and long term. Recently, Hitachi Vantara unveiled a new converged solution developed with Cisco for Red Hat OpenShift, designed to expedite private and hybrid cloud deployments. This innovation not only enhances operational efficiency, but also aligns with rising demands for sustainable technology, signaling positive sentiment among investors. Additionally, Hitachi Rail's acquisition of Omnicom represents a tactical expansion into digital asset management, further diversifying Hitachi's portfolio and showcasing its commitment to innovation. This could bolster confidence in the stock in the short term, as the market typically reacts favorably to acquisitions that enhance growth prospects. In a broader perspective, Hitachi's strong performance, surpassing most of the renowned Magnificent Seven tech stocks over the past year, reflects its robust strategic focus on electrification and renewables. With an order backlog of $40 billion and expected growth in related markets, including intelligent transportation systems projected to reach $66 billion, $350 million by 2031, Hitachi is well positioned for sustained growth. As these developments unfold, they could create upward momentum in HTHIY's stock price, driven by investor optimism surrounding the company's strategic direction and market potential. In sum, ongoing innovations and acquisitions could yield substantial returns for shareholders both now and into the future, provided Hitachi continues to effectively execute its growth strategy. Analysts have assigned Hitachi Limited American Depository Receipts stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral and the price-to-book ratio as buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide a neutral rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Hitachi Limited American Depository Receipts. The Hitachi Limited stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at levels of $54.47 and $50.79. A decline below any of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, January 29, 2025, and thus far, the stock has appreciated by 20.83%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, trading volume is increasing alongside the price, which is viewed as a favorable technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 14 days ago. Bollinger reveals a buy signal from 1 day ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages points to a buy signal from 10 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average shows a buy signal from 14 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages highlights a buy signal from 3 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Hitachi Limited. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $53.85 and $49.56. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to the next support level. In this instance, Hitachi ADR finds support just below today's level at $53.85. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $49.56 and $47.92. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock moved 0.6 between its high and low, which is 1.05%. For the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 1.41%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Hitachi Limited, let's quickly review some key fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is considered relatively normal, typically found in companies with established histories or stable revenues. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 25th of April, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Hitachi Limited, American Depository Receipt. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Hitachi Limited encounters its first support level at $53.85. If this support level holds, it could be a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $55.63, representing a decline of 3.3%. This stock experiences medium daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. The relative strength index over 14 days is 85, which significantly heightens the risk factor. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 13 days ago. Is Hitachi Limited American Depositary Receipts stock a good buy? Hitachi Limited American Depositary Receipts presents several positive signals. However, these are not sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may want to hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 19th of February, we anticipate that Hitachi Limited American Depositary Receipts will open down by 9 cents, starting at $57.44. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.